Hello, ShopSmart folks. Today, we're diving into the Frigidaire FFHT1425VV model, a refrigerator that combines style and efficiency for your kitchen. With a capacity of 13.9 cubic feet and an elegant brushed steel design, it offers adjustable glass shelves and internal LED lighting for easy food organization. Automatic closing doors ensure optimal food preservation, while Energy Star certification ensures energy efficiency and savings. Certified ADA compliant, this refrigerator provides accessibility with reachable shelves and intuitive controls. The even-temp cooling system maintains a consistent temperature, preserving food freshness. If you're looking for efficient performance paired with modern design, the Frigidaire FFHT1425VV model is the ideal choice. Check out more details and offers in the description below to upgrade your kitchen with convenience and style. Click the link to learn more about this refrigerator and how it can simplify your life. Don't forget to subscribe to ShopSmart for more reviews like this. Until next time.